Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with eBay, full guide step by step clearly. Identify your target market to understand what products are in demand. Conduct thorough research to find trending items on eBay. Utilize eBay's Trending on eBay section for popular searches. Analyze completed listings to gauge selling prices and competition. Optimize your product listings with clear and attractive titles. Incorporate relevant keywords to enhance search visibility. Write detailed product descriptions that highlight features and benefits. Use high-quality images to showcase your products effectively. Consider using eBay's promotional tools, like promoted listings, to increase visibility. Set competitive prices by comparing similar items. Offer discounts or bundle deals to encourage multiple purchases. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve any issues efficiently. Utilize eBay's feedback system to establish trust with potential buyers. Ship items quickly and provide tracking information to enhance customer satisfaction. Monitor your sales performance regularly to identify improvement areas. Adjust your strategies based on sales data and customer feedback. Stay updated on eBay policies and changes to maintain compliance. Leverage social media platforms to promote your eBay store. Engage with your audience by sharing product links and special offers. Consider running seasonal promotions or sales events to boost visibility. Continuously refine your inventory based on market trends and demand. Build a brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Network with other sellers to share tips and strategies for success. Stay persistent and adapt to the ever-changing eBay marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.